spot. So no kids open up the car door and swing up and hit our car, you know what I mean? I do gotta watch out for that. There goes that cart. Look at it go. I was gonna move that, so the cart. He hit it. Everyone's going out to get it. I was gonna move it when I got out because I didn't want it to do that.
Why didn't you?
I'm eating. But when I got out, I was gonna move it. Mm.
And then are we going to take our trash to find the trash bag?
Is it good? Did you eat it already?
Pretty much.